Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing very well. Today in this video, I bring some beautiful collection of Handmade Valentine's Day card that you can easily create these cards at home. With your creative skills, you can create different ideas for Valentine's Day to gift this to your partner's love. This beautiful and friends, that are some easy created ideas that you can create according to the person you want to create. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for a very beautiful time, to do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous video. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love these ideas and enjoy creating them. In this video, I bring some beautiful collection of decorative handmade Valentine's Day cards that you can create it at home and give to your loved ones. You can create ideas according to the person you want to give that card. You can create it for your partners by creating some unique and different ideas. And if you want to gift this sort of handmade cards of your family or friendly, you can choose or pick up different ideas in that person you want to gift this card likes. What sort of ideas according to it you want to